welcome to another video. So today's video is a rather special one. Madam Glam have got a 2-day shopping event where they have given us a 50% discount code for you guys to use. You'll see mine is in the top right hand corner of the screen, GG50MAY, all capital letters, all one word. I'll also put it in the top of the comments for you guys as well, along with my bit.ly link. So with my bit.ly link, you click it, it will take you over to the Madam Glam's website. Then when you come to checkout, it should take the 50% off your order automatically. But just check that it has done, guys. If it hasn't, where it says enter discount code, enter in there GG50MAY, and that will take the 50% off your whole order. But like I say, the bit.ly link, it should automatically do that for you. So to celebrate this shopping event, Madam Glam has challenged some of us to create a video tutorial creating any set of nails that we want. This can be as easy or as hard as we want, using some of our favourite gels from any of this year's collections. So most of you guys know I do love pastel colours. So I've decided I'm going to do a tutorial creating a set of French tips with a little bit of a twist. I want to do some pastel ombre French tips. So you'll see I've already done this now because I wasn't sure what background colour I was going to use. So I've decided to go with Madam Glam's Cherry Petals. It's a really nice background colour, this is. I love it. It's a really light pink, but it has got a slight nude tone to it. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this to the rest of these 3 nails. Now, if you was doing this on your natural nails, guys, you would go in with your base coat first. But because I'm doing this on my practice hand, I've just given the tips a slight buff, just to get rid of that shiny surface. And I'm going to give them a cure for 30 seconds, and then I'll do the second coat off camera, guys, then we'll pop back in a minute. Right, so they're all fully cured. They've had 2 coats. Now the first 2 colours that I've pulled out is Madam Glam's Blueberry Cream and Madam Glam's Viola. Now I'm going to pop a little bit of each of those on my palettes, I think. Am I? Oh, I don't know actually. I might not. No, I might not. I might just work off the nail. It's easier. So this is Blueberry Cream. Just going to apply a little bit of that on the nail like this. Then I'm going to get my detailer brush. I'm just going to, don't really need all that. Got far too much on there. Don't need all that at all. I'm just getting that smile line all nice and straight with my detailer brush, like that. And I'm going to clean my detailer brush off. And now I'm going to go in with Viola. And I'm just going to do the exact same as what I did with the Blueberry Cream. Just apply a little bit like this with the brush out the bottle. Not too much this time though. And then I'm going to get my detailer brush. Just going to create that smile line. making sure they're even both sides. Like that. And then I'm just going to blend the two together. And because they're very similar colours, they blend together so easy. Clean my brush, just make sure that blue's not patchy. I mean, you could go in and do 2 coats, but Madam Glam gel polishes are so opaque. They just don't need it. If I can get away with doing 1 coat, then that is just a bonus, because it's not going to bulk the tip of the nail out and it's going to save a lot of time. So there we are. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that is that now done. Look at that. I really love how that is just a really subtle effect. It's really, really pretty. So next nail, we're going to be using Viola again on this half. And on the right hand side, we're going to be using the Boardwalk. So I'm just going to do the same as what I did on the other nail.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and I.
And to ombre these 2 colours together, you just want to kind of swiggle down the middle, like this. And just get them mixed in like that. And then give that a cure for 30 seconds. So on this ring finger, we're using the Boardwalk again. And we're using Peach Pie. Now this Peach Pie is also out of a different collection. This is out of May's new collection, which is called Flavor Por Favor. And I'm going to be bringing a swatch video out on that in a couple of days, so keep your eyes open for that one. Going to be doing a swatch and a little design using them. And that collection is absolutely stunning. It is another one of my favourites. Some really beautiful, unusual colours in it.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and I.
You can always go in and add more colour if you feel like you've not got enough. Like that pink, I feel like I just need a tiny bit more, you know, to create the ombre. Just literally a tiny bit like that. That is all I need. That's just going to help blend them two together better. There we go. So much better. And then the last two colours I'm going to be using on the pinky is Peach Pie and Bright Honey. There we go, and kill that for 30 seconds. So now we are gonna top coat these bad boys, guys. And we're gonna be using, obviously, my favourite Madam Glam top coat, which is the Velvet Matte top coat. It's just something about pastel and matte together. Oh, it just, yeah, it definitely does something for me. And give them a 30-second cure. Oh, look at them, guys. Oh my goodness. They are beautiful. I love them. I just love that they're not in your face. They're very subtle. Oh, they're so pretty. Now, me being me, I'm not sure if they're finished. I'm thinking the contrast between the pastel matte and some small black butterflies on a couple of the nails would look quite cool. But I've decided to top coat them first because I need to show you with the butterflies and without the butterflies, and then I wanted you guys to let me know in the comments whether you preferred it with or without the butterflies. So this is what they look like without the butterflies. So let's see what they look like with, shall we? Now with these decals, guys, make sure you always get rid of that excess water. So I just keep hold of it between my nails, or you could use tweezers and just run the back of it along a bit of paper towel, but don't let go of it. Else you'll find it'll end up sticking to the paper towel. But I just find if you don't get rid of that excess water, they can tend to lift when you go to top coat over them. And what I love about decals is they're easy to use and they don't cause any bulkiness like some stickers can. They're super duper thin. So I'm just going to quickly top coat over them to seal them in. So there we are, guys. That is them all done. What do you think? I think they are absolutely beautiful. Perfect for this time of year. If anyone decides to have a go at these, make sure you tag me in them because I'd love to see everyone's designs. Like I said at the beginning of the video, Madam Glam has got a 2-day shopping event, which is today and tomorrow, which is the 9th and 10th of May 2022, where you can save yourself a whopping 50% off your whole order. You do have to order a minimum of 3 items. So I'll leave my link in my description box and I'll pin it in the comments as well. So if you click the link, it will take you on over to the Madam Glam website. So I hope you all have a fantastic time shopping. Hope you find yourself some bargains. I can assure you're going to find yourself some gorgeous gels. I just want to also tell you guys as well, for those of you that have not heard of Madam Glam gel polishes before, Madam Glam gels, they are all vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and henna free. They are amazing quality gel polishes and pretty much good for anyone to use. Everything that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for inviting me to take part in this challenge. I really enjoyed it. I want to say a massive thank you for all the products that you send. I really am enjoying using these Madam Glam gels. So yeah, that's everything for today's video, guys. I hope my voice hasn't driven you crazy. I'm just getting over a chest infection at the moment, as you can probably well hear. So yeah, I'm sorry about my voice. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.